my super friends, welcome to my channel. Feeling the becoming mother gives you joy, but continuously cries of newborn baby gives tension to the new mother. Today I will like to share the reasons and remedies for crying of newborn baby with you. Number 1. If the umbilical cord has not yet detached from the body of newborn and if it is paining or bleeding, it is the reason for crying of baby. Until the umbilical cord detaches, take special care of him. While giving bath to baby, do not rub soap on the umbilical cord. Simply wash it with lukewarm water and apply some baby powder once it dries. Number 2. Comfortable. If the bedding on which the baby is sleeping is not comfortable, then also the baby's cry. If you massaging the baby with ghee or any other oil and does not give bath, then also the baby's cry, because avoiding the bath results into solidifying of oil their skin, which results into itching. Number 3. If baby is crying even after feeding, it may be possible that he is gassy. For this, hold the child on your shoulder and try to burp him. Number 4. Sometimes it happens that much time has passed since last breastfeed, still they don't take the feed and simply cries. The reason is that excessive gas has generated in their stomach. To make him release the same, lay down the kid straight, then massage the whole leg from thighs slowly for 2 minutes and fold the legs to allow the knees to press the stomach. This will release the entire gas from stomach. Number 5. Sometimes the diet of mother results into sweetening of breast milk. Due to this, worms irritate kids and they cry. To confirm the same, check the anus of newborn. If the area around anus is red, it is the reason of crying of baby. To cure this, take lukewarm ghee or clarified butter without any salt. And you also can take a coconut oil. Dip a small cotton ball in the same, gently squeeze it and place the same on the anus and apply ghee or oil also on the red area nearby anus. Baby will get relief in 5 minutes. Number 6. Muscles and bones of baby are very soft. While holding the baby or taking him on the shoulders, if proper care is not, the muscles of his neck is stretched, which is known as collarbone dugging. Due to this, sometimes either the baby doesn't take the feed at all or take the feed from one side only. To cure the same, first make sure that his stomach is empty, then hold both of his legs and reverse dangle slowly 5 to 7 times. Complete this process between 10 to 15 seconds. The collarbone dugging cures by this process, and make sure not to reverse dangle for more time. Number 7. Whenever baby cries, he is trying to tell something. Being a mother, you should try to find out why is he crying. Sometimes he cries hard by putting down his legs again and again. This means either he has stomach ache or worms are irritating him. Number 8. Sometimes he rubs his ear or plays nearby the ear. This happens because while feeding the baby, milk goes downside till his ears and solidifies there. This results in itching and baby cries. Number 9. Some more general reasons are there, like if he is feeling cold or hot, then also he is trouble. Number 10. And if you have tried everything and still baby is crying, take lukewarm oil and gives massage on hands, legs and back. Or take him on your shoulder and gently rub his back, because babies get tired of sleeping in the same position. So friends, this was today's video. I hope it was helpful to you. Till next video, bye bye.